It has been such a long day. I'm so tired and hungry.
Is that fried chicken? What's the occasion?
Wait,
Good must have
that's a
happened.
great idea. So let's try to make this easy, crispy, delicious Korean fried chicken from Solo Leveling. I will leave all the ingredients in the description box. We're going to start by grating the ginger and the garlic. We add it to the chicken wings with some pepper, onion, and some salt. Then we have to mix the seasoning with the chicken. This is going to marinate with some milk to make the chicken super tender. So let's leave it for at least 30 minutes. While we wait, we're going to prep the dry ingredients. Half potato starch and half flour. If finding the potato starch was as difficult for you as it was for me, don't worry, you can replace it for cornstarch. They are similar enough. The secret to have an extra crispy chicken is to have a wet mixture and a dry mixture. For that, I'm going to divide the dry ingredients in two batches. If you're not gonna add any sauce to your chicken, I recommend to add half a tablespoon of salt here or any seasoning to your liking. Just set aside the dry ingredients and let's start with our wet mixture. For that, we need our dry ingredients and add to our dry ingredients some water. Then we have to mix it really well because we don't want any chunks in our batter. Our chicken wings are ready to start coating with our mixtures. We shake it a little bit to get rid of the excess before it goes to the wet mixture. Here we have to coat it pretty well before it goes to the dry mixture. We have to make sure every single part of the chicken is covered with the flour. Put it on a plate and make sure the chicken don't touch each other. Here I wanted to show you how I do it without my fingers getting sticky from the flour. So one hand in the wet ingredients and the other one in the dry ingredients. Never mix it and I promise it will make everything much faster and easier. Once they are ready, I will leave them for another half an hour. While we wait, I'm going to make a delicious sauce that is Korean inspired. Because if you didn't know, Solo Leveling is a manga, which is Korean. So, okay, you get it. So, this sauce uses Gochujang. I'm extremely sorry if I said it wrong, but as you can tell, I don't speak Korean, so I'm sorry. But it's a hot pepper paste. That's something I do know. So it has this gochujang, some brown sugar, corn syrup, mirin, soy sauce, and a little bit of ketchup. This sauce is a little bit spicy, but if you want it to be more spicy, add more gochujang, or if you want it to be, well, not spicy, don't add it, but it won't be as tasty. Then you have to take it to the stove at a medium-high temperature and let it cook for 3 to 5 minutes. It should look like this when you're finished. It will become a little bit more sticky if it gets cold. And our chicken is also ready to start frying. For that, we're going to use a lot of oil and we have to heat it up at high temperature first. You know it's ready when you put a chicken in and it bubbles like this. I know it's scary, but after that, just leave it and lower the temperature to minimum. After 50 minutes, it should look like this. And as you can see, it looks a little bit pale, but that's okay because we're going to double fry them. That's the secret for this extra crispy chicken. And there you have it. That's all you have to do to have this absolutely amazing, crispy, delicious chicken with a sweet and spicy sauce that I promise will make any tiring day a lot better. If you like this recipe, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!